Today I will show you how you can perform a reverse Google image search on the VIVO Y22s. So there is two ways on this phone, by Google Lens and by the web browsers, and we start from the first method. So we have to open the gallery and look for the photo that you want to search in the Google. I will choose that one. Now just tap on the Google Lens icon, and how you can see, now Google looking for these photos automatically. This is the first way. The other way is by the web browser, so we have to open the Google Chrome or the other web browser and go to the google.com. And now it's time for the most important step. Click on this three-dot icon and go to the desktop site. Now click on the small camera icon and choose upload a file. Allow permission to gallery and choose the photo again. And how you can see, there we have a similar or the same images from the Google. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.